Lofoten Islands, where the mountains meet the sea. Welcome to the place of myths and legends. Visit the edge of the Arctic, known as the gateway to midnight sun and twilight winter. On this journey, you will immerse yourself in the mythical fairy tales of Norway and become a part of the story of the eternally immortalized trolls in the peculiar mountains around you. One thing's for sure, after this trip, it's you who will live happily ever after.
Oh, hello there! You made it to our No Way in Norway series. As you can see, we've just crossed the Finnish border. We have landed in the Norwegian country.
Wait for me! Get my hand! Wait! Take me to Norway, please!
I can show you the way.
Okay, so we have made it to the highest point in Tromso via cable car over there, so there was no walking needed for this one. However, we are rewarded with the views of the Arctic city of Tromso. Bro, so is this a dream come true for you being in Tromso right now?
Oh, absolutely. I remember coming back to the Australian sun at 30 degrees and the only thing I could think of is I want to go back to the cold coming from Canada. However, that wasn't enough. I had an image in my mind. I wanted to trek through the snow. Bit of research later, Norway was the place to be. Seen these photos online. Photos don't do it justice, you know. When you get here,
100%.
leaves you speechless. Absolutely stunning views, the snow, the mountains. It's the Arctic city.
Paris of the North, bro.
Still not sold on that idea. But what about you? What about you?
Yeah, what are your thoughts, Taru? Being born a Scandinavian woman, how does it feel to be like up here?
I think this is amazing.
10 out of 10?
Yeah, 10 out of 10.
Good stuff.
Nothing like this in Finland.
And you, sir, you're pretty fresh into this Arctic life. What are your thoughts?
Honestly, I'm just like, my brain is just not processing what's happening, but that's good. We have these videos to look back on when we're 80 years old. We're going to be showing the grandkids.
That's true.
This is what we did up here in Tromso. So,
all right, brother. So,
yeah.
I know it's cold, and you think we're lost, but I've got a good update. We're not lost anymore. I found the directions. Here's Australia. We're just gonna go that way. All right. It's gonna be okay. We're gonna go back to the land of sunshine.
At this point, you're probably wondering what's going on. We left Kilpisjärvi, Finland and drove to Tromso in a day with our close friend Taru. From Tromso, we began our 540-kilometre trip to the most southern town on the Lofoten Islands, Å.
Look, when you're driving in Norway, the stops are longer. It takes maybe 10 hours to go through a 2-hour drive because you have views like this.
Too bloody good.
Honestly.
The drive to Tromso was 2 hours 30, but it's gonna be a 3-day adventure at this point. Like, look at this. How do you not stop? And your eyes, they just can't take it all in.
I literally get the same feeling, bro.
It's an Arctic duck.
It's an Arctic forest. Driving through the Lofoten Islands, this is what happens. Got a little bit of ice stuck in the front right wheel. When you're in the Lofoten Islands, you don't drink normal water. You drink Lofoten Arctic water. 6 to 8 degrees north. No more sparkling water for you, sir. We only drink Arctic water from now on.
Just crossed the bridge into the Lofoten Islands and it is looking surreal. The most stunning landscape with the snow, the water, the mountains, the little red hut fishing villages. It's everything you've seen online, plus more. As you can see here, we've got our bridge that we've crossed out that way. Looking down at the water, we've got a couple of fishermen. Let's head on down and take a look.
Let's go. Islands in Norway. We just finished up at Fura Hostel yesterday, but now we're at a place called Hawkland Beach. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but the views are insane. There's no cloud in the sky. The weather's perfect. Beach is so clear, the water's so blue, but you've got mountains literally jutting out of the ocean. You've got, yeah, like tall mountains. You've got the beach. The sand is so nice, but down there's still a big layer of snow, which is definitely trippy. But the waves are breaking over there. The water is like an aqua bluish color. It's honestly incredible. The boy is back.
Great hike. We didn't actually hike. So this place is beautiful. It's still got all the spectacular scenery of everywhere in Lofoten with the mountains and the blue water. But the thing that really makes this beach stand out is it is secluded. There's no signs of civilization, not even a cabin in sight.
Well, there's one over there, but
That draws an end to episode 1 of our Lost in Lofoten series. We hope you enjoyed coming on this journey with us, and fear not, for our journey is only just beginning.